Good morning, everyone. Chris here, retired working for you. Day 4 of the Bangkok Challenge, and we're down to number 22 on the Bangkok list to rule them all. And I got a very special guest. She's walking right in front of me. Welcome back. You're coming to number 22 on the Bangkok list to rule them all, babe. Are you excited?
Yeah, but what's the list?
Oh yeah. It's basically, I'm counting down the top 25 things to do in Bangkok.
Oh!
I need you for today's video.
That I know.
And the really cool thing is, it's the same list Mark Wiens did 10 years ago to start, and then I'm gonna re-rank everything. When I get to number 1, I'm gonna meet Mark Wiens. He's gonna come on a video with me.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, Mark Wiens. Yeah.
No, he is.
Tony, keep dreaming.
No,
No way.
So number 22 on the Bangkok list to rule them all. Well, let's see what Mark Wiens had. Oh, he had Thai cooking class, but we're gonna kick things up. This is the updated, revised, better than ever. Top 25 things to do in Bangkok, and at number 22, we're not going to any old cooking class. We're cooking with poo. So the first step in cooking with poo is meeting that Prompong BTS station. Make sure you get there in time. Tip for you, don't take a taxi, take the BTS, because Bangkok traffic is back and it's worse than ever. At 8:30 in the morning, jump in the van with another group of travelers who are also interested in cooking with poo. You hop out here at the Klong Toi Fresh Market. And this is a morning market, really. When it's at its peak, it's open very early, like talking 2 a.m. And so kind of we're here at the tail end of the morning for these people. A lot of them have been here all night. But there's fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, and extremely fresh chicken. By the way, that's poo there.
This is the old papaya. Today we have in papaya.
She takes you through, she explains everything that you see. What is this one?
Pancake.
How is it?
It's nice.
Cute boy. There's basically meat as far as the eye can see. We're just getting to the end of the market. Gonna jump back in the van and we're gonna go turn those ingredients into something tasty, we hope. That's where the location is. It's right in the back alleys of Klong Toi, which is biggest slum. That's what it's known as. I like to call it Bangkok's biggest challenged community, but it's just a massive community back here. And it's really cool to get back inside because this place has retained a super awesome vibe, community, family feel, even though there's a lot of challenges faced back here. Here we are entering cooking with poo to prepare the ingredients into something delicious.
We are going to make Som Tam. Som Tam Thai is papaya salad. This is the garlic and chili. We have technique for you. If you love spicy, when you put chili, you can count many times the garlic put in. 1, 2, 3. And green bean not too strong. And peanut, dry prawn, someone don't like not put in. Huh? And cut again. Put alarm on top spoon and easy for you sweet too.
Oh, yeah.
Tamarind sauce,
What is that?
1 table. Fish sauce, 1 table. You can mix it and separate. Carrot and papaya.
It's good. Oh, the papaya is so fresh.
That was spicy but delicious Som Tam. So one of the really cool things about cooking with Poo is after you cook up, there's too much food for everyone to eat all of it. They bring it out here, share it with the local neighbors in the neighborhoods, and put some smiles on some faces. Ooh, big doggy. Enjoy. She teaches you a lot about some of the rules of Thai cooking. You'll go home with the full recipes for 3 different dishes, but you'll also hear some secret tips and tricks from like the old school, the previous generation. It's a really cool experience. Who's gonna get the second course? Who's gonna get the second course? Oh, sawadee krap. Yes. อร่อยมากครับ
อร่อยค่ะ
And while Haley's cooking dish number 2 and dish number 3, it's the perfect time to tell you that today's video is dedicated to her home country of South Korea. That's right, South Koreans have watched the 25th most videos on the Retired Working For You channel, so shout out to all my Korean brothers and sisters. Now, let's see how dish number 2 tastes. Oh my God!
I did good, eh?
Wow, yeah. Look at this. It looks so legit.
Oh, yeah.
Nicely done, Haley. Back in the kitchen for the 3rd and final dish, and everything is really delicious. Another dish prepared by Chef Haley. We're gonna add some of the red chilies to it though. I hope it doesn't blow in my face. Whoa, that's a lot of chili. All right, let's see how Haley's pad thai tastes. There's the chef. I'm actually surprised. Pad thai is not one of my favorite Thai foods, but this one, it does have a homemade taste, I'd say, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's got a fresh taste. It just tastes different. It tastes different than most pad thais that I've had, and I actually really like it. And when you're done with the main course, she cuts up a wide variety of Thai fruit that is absolutely a must try. Okay, you're making a full on. So while everyone's enjoying the fruit for dessert, let's catch up with Poo herself. Poo, this has been amazing.
Yeah, thank
wow.
you.
And this is your house?
Yeah, my house too.
And why do you do the cooking class here?
Yeah, because long time ago I to sell the food in front of my mom home. It's a hard work, 15 hours every day. And next time ingredients are in the market up price and machinery. They are live in my so I have the idea helping me open the cooking school.
How many people work with you?
And now we have 8 people together working with me.
Oh, amazing. And then you were saying that when people come and support and buy your cookbooks and come to your cooking class, that it helps the community a little bit as well?
Yeah, if you want to come to my card and buy cookbook or apron, the money for your helping and support, helping a lot the business in our area. And every December, we have money for the kids go to school too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. So number 22 on the Bangkok list to rule them all is Cooking with Poo. This is amazing. It's something you have to do when you're in Bangkok. There was someone in there who was in our class who's been to several different cooking classes, and she said the reason this one's the best because you get right into the community, and that's the coolest thing about what you do, and you're also helping it. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much too. Thank you.
Yeah. Cooking with Poo number 22.